Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a reveal of a new bag that I recently purchased. And I want to get the name correct because I just got it. It's the Crochet, it's by Geiger, and it's the Crochet Kensington studded small crossbody. And I'm so excited to reveal this because I fell in love when I first saw this. I am very impulsive. Like if I see something that I absolutely love, I feel like I have to get it. And luckily I found this bag on sale. I didn't even know Geiger has sales, but I was thankful that when it was time for me to purchase it, there was a sale on it and I was able to get a good deal. So first, if you can see, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever saw. Like this is so pretty. When I saw this on someone's Instagram that I follow, I immediately took a screenshot and I was like, this is the most glamorous bag I've ever saw. And surprisingly, this is crochet material. So I'll do a quick zoom in so you guys can kind of see the material of the bag clearly. But this is how it looks. So you can see it's not like a leather, it's crochet. So it's very slouchy, it's very soft and easy to deal with. Also the material, if you got something on this, you can easily just wipe that off. And it comes with this beautiful gold, these gold studs, which really, this is so beautiful to me. Like, I don't know, I don't see purses like this often. I know Geiger, they have different type of bags and things that are nice and creative and fun, but I don't know, I haven't saw anything like this in a long time, so I was immediately attracted to this. And it comes with these two. Honestly, this is something that I'm still trying to figure out. So if you or anybody watching this has this bag, let me know because I might be using this bag way wrong. But it comes with two straps. I believe it's only one strap, but I made it to two straps because I wanted to wear it as a shorter shoulder bag. So it features this beautiful gold hardware, and it's not that just high shine yellow gold. This is like super, it's like a vintage gold almost. It's like a brass. That's my favorite type of gold. I don't like the super high shiny gold, even though that's cute too, but I mostly like if I had to choose, I would definitely pick the brassy look because it goes with more, it complements every skin tone better, and it's just beautiful. So it comes with these straps, and it obviously has this little leather attachment to make the bag more comfortable. Honestly, I don't think I can ever, that's another thing with this bag. This bag is super comfortable. As you can see, it's so slouchy, which is another part. Like for me, I wouldn't necessarily only want to wear dressy outfits with this bag. I would wear this with some cute sweatpants and a sweatshirt and be chill, but this would be my statement piece of that type of outfit. So that is another thing that I was like, that would be perfect for. And I'm not really sure why on Bloomingdale's, because that's where it's on sale at right now, I'm not really sure why they said small, because this is a pretty good size bag. It's not that small. It's a very good size though. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's like in that perfect range. And it's about a medium size, I would say. You can fit a lot of stuff in here, which is a good thing because it's so pretty as well. So I'm just gonna show you guys kind of how it looks too. So as you can see, just those beautiful, beautiful studs. Has that Geiger eagle, I don't know what that is, but that is the, that's on all of the bags that he or she makes. So yeah, so let's get into the bag because obviously this fits a lot. Right now I'm in between bags, so I just threw a whole bunch of trash in here, so please don't judge me. But I just wanted to do the video with the stuff in the bag so you guys can kind of get an idea of how much stuff fits. So it comes with those classic, I don't even know, my brain sometimes just turns on and off, so I can't even think of the name, but it comes with these little magnetic clasps, and they are really strong. Yeah, they're pretty strong. So that's how it closes. Opens pretty easily. Now the surprising part about this bag is that it's leather on the inside, and it's super subtle. supple and soft, which I love that as well. It's super soft. It just feels like it makes the bag even more luxurious to me and glamorous because it just feels so amazing on the inside. And so in here, I don't know, I have sunglasses and just trash, literally. Deodorant, the famous fan, bookmarks, gum. If the girls who know. Some hoops just in case, and a MagSafe thing. But some big hoops just in case. That's the emergency tool for me. Lip gloss, you guys already know. Gotta keep these glossed up, like I said. Feminine products. But let me take everything out of the bag to kind of show you guys even more inside the bag, because it's just amazing. So in here it does have its like signature message, or you know how, I don't even know what you call those either, but it says, this is just their statement, I guess. It says, inspired by our city, we believe in self-expression, authenticity, yes, and distinctive design for the individual who wants to channel their true self. I love that message so much because I believe in all of those words I just read. Self-expression, being who you are, embracing who you are is such a beautiful thing. It is so hard to do in the world we live in because every time we get on social media or we watch TV, we watch movies, it's giving us ideas of things that we may not be, and so it makes us feel less than. But when we can learn to take a step back and truly embrace who we are and express ourselves authentically, then that's when the true beauty is birthed, and that's when things like this come out, because you go with you be yourself, and the right people who accept that will accept that, and the people who don't deserve to be in your life or is not for you won't. So it's just simple. But yeah, I love the message of that. That's another reason why I would 100% support them. And it just says, design is what we do, kindness is what we are. And the girls who know as well. Seems like it's so hard for people to do that, but always being kind, I love that. I love it, love it, love it. So there's no pockets in here. Where the message is, that there's actually a small pocket, which I didn't really know. So I guess you can kind of just like put your cards in there or something very thin and small in that compartment, but the rest is basically just like a junk drawer. So it's just like you have a lot of space to fill it up with anything. And as you guys can see, it just looks so beautiful. It's so luxurious, supple, and soft. You probably can just see how soft it is by the quality of looking on the inside of the bag. So yeah, and you can wear this crossbody. Yeah, you can wear this crossbody or shoulder. The only hang up that I had that I didn't really understand how the bag worked is because there's this long strap, which I'm not sure if you guys will be able to really see it, unfortunately, in the video, but usually when it's actually made for two, it goes through that hole, but it doesn't go through the hole, so I kind of just made it into two by putting it underneath the flap. However, I don't know if that's the right way to do it. I know that's not normal, so I don't know. But it works for me. It still looks normal when I wear it out. It doesn't look abnormal, like someone would really notice that that's not how the bag is supposed to be worn. So yeah, and but if I were to do it correctly and I take the chain over the flap, it would just really be, let me see. Okay. So yeah, it would just really be like a long one strap bag, which is still a vibe. It's still very beautiful, and can be worn and just be a showstopper. So this is how it looks, and the strap is, I don't know the inch of the strap, is pretty long though. So yeah, when I want to make it shorter, I just put the other strap underneath the flap and you know, use it that way. I did also see for the girl that I follow on Instagram, she actually wore this on vacation as a not a crossbody, a clutch. So that's another thing too, because for me, this bag, for me, in my opinion, is definitely a statement bag. This is not, I don't feel like it's an everyday bag. It could be worn every day depending on your personal style, but this is a statement piece. So if you just wanted to wear this and put the straps inside of the bag and just wear it, you know, like this, or like, you know, just holding it up to you, it's still beautiful and it still does the job. So I just want to thank Geiger for making this bag, because this is so beautiful. And it also came with this beautiful, artistic, cute, creative dust bag as well, for when you're not using your bag, you can just store it in here. And this is how it looks. And it says the same message. Like I said, it might be just their famous message, but it says, design is what we do, kindness is what we are. So that's just an amazing message there. And this is how it looks. So yeah, I just wanted to do a reveal of this beautiful, beautiful bag for you guys, and just show you guys a new purchase, and maybe give you an idea of something you may want to buy your girl, or you want to buy yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing recently to my channel. I ask that you guys please, please, please continue to subscribe and support me, because I am doing the best I can with what I have. So thank you so much for watching, and peace.